we're going to move over now to the In Focus section. In this segment, the Mongolian minister, the man himself, Austin Pinto, will be demonstrating another segment of the roaming process. This is also going to be on one of our YouTube. So if you're not able to listen to this, you can also find it on our YouTube channel.
Okay, so today we are going to see how to download the official TWRP for your device. So as I have the Asus M1 Pro device, I'm going to download the official TWRP for this device. So I'm on the twrp.me site. I will link this site in the show notes. So let's go.
Downloading 0B pixel disclaimer separator. No next heading. Team software and stat separator. Maintain code link to link support thread on this device separator. This means that swiping to allow system modifications will prevent you from being able to boot it. Separator. This device uses DM Verity. Separator. This means that swiping to allow system modifications will prevent you from being able to boot it. You are using the stock kernel. In order to bypass DM Verity's boot prevention, you will have to install a kernel that has DM Verity disabled in the stack. App install method. Clickable. Separator. Download the official TW downloading Z list with 2 items. Bullet link Play Store. Red bullet link no play out of list. Install the app and open the device and download separate current and past versions of T.
So as it said that this device uses DM Verity, so allowing to swipe to modify system settings will prevent you from booting. That means if you don't swipe to allow system modifications, you will not be able to boot in the ROM. So for this, unfortunately, you will need sighted help. That's why I told you do need sighted help for some tasks, but for others, it is totally accessible.
List with 2 items. Bullet link primary. Americas. Out of list current and past versions of T. List with 2 items. Bullet link primary.
So I'm downloading from the primary.
Download TWRP for X00P. Banner landmark TW Team Win on your using TWRP sometime on your version. Downloading a thank you for Team Win link T. Downloading Z Team link TWRP 3.4.00 X00P.in.
So I'm downloading this file.
Download
This is the IMG file.
Heading level 4 link download PGP. Heading level 3 link download TW.
Okay, so I have to click on this heading.
Download TW. Downloading 46.9 MB.
And now it is started downloading.
Downloading 1 min left alert.
So I will be showing you how to disable this DM Verity. So let's set up our device for roaming. Now by device I mean the computer.
PeliSoft Windows PowerShell or PeliSoft Windows WinP.
Let's go to the downloads.
3D downloads. Item T pixel reloaded X00.
So this is the ROM file. We don't want to touch it now.
TWRP 3.4.00 X00P.m2 of 100.
So this is a long name and we want to rename this file so that it becomes easier for us to flash. So to rename the file, all we want to do is hit the F2 key and delete everything. And that only .img is remaining. So we'll call this file
ASUSRECOVERY. Today grouping expanded. Asus recovery.m2.
So it's Asus recovery, one word. And generally I would, although nothing will happen, but generally I would not recommend that you have spaces within your name. So your name should be one word. So let's cut this file from here.
P. Yesterday grouping expanded. P. Last week grouping expanded. Pixel XP. Platform tools 46 of 119.
Let's open this.
Preview. Downloads collapsed 4 of 9 level 2. Items view list. API not selected 1 of 9.
So I will paste this TWRP in the platform tools folder.
Asus recovery.m 20 of 20.
So that is the Asus recovery. So now we are going to type here. Okay, it's ADB space reboot.
BOOT space BOOTLOADER.
And you then type that command and you hit the enter key and your device should boot into the ADB mode. So you hit the enter key and the device boots into the fast boot mode. As you heard, the device disconnected and then connected back again. And now let me type dot /fastboot
J4AAP 760 984 GAB fast boot.
Okay, now let's do the second step. So here I'll type fast boot. I forgot to give the dot slash. Backslash fast boot.
BOOT space SH space ECOVERY space SUSRECOVERY dot IMG.
So the command I typed was fastboot space flash space recovery space assessrecovery.img. You can replace assessrecovery.img with the name of the file that you gave and you hit enter.
Send in recovery 48,024 KB. Send in recovery 48,024 KB. OK 1.099s. Write in recovery. Write in recovery. OK 0.36 OS. Finished. Total time 1.50 OS. PSC. Users OSD downloads platform tools greater.
Okay, so we have the recovery flashed. So the next step is taking cited help and swiping to allow system modifications, because without that we cannot do anything else. So cited help is definitely required for this.